Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome to your channel Maths D1 D2 Scientific Academy. Today our lecture is related to chapter 15, which is statistical data handling. I'm going to explain you question number 1 of exercise 15b. Question number 1 is the table shows the number of students who travel to school by bus, by car, by bicycle, or on foot respectively. Here mode of transport is given, which is bus, car, bicycle and foot, and you have a number of students are given that 768 students use bus, 256 students use car, and 64 students use bicycle, and 192 students use foot. So they are saying that construct a pie chart using data from the table. So by using this data you have to draw the pie chart. Now I'm going to explain you that how would you draw the pie chart. So students, first you will draw the table. First mode of transport is given. So to draw the pie chart, basically you need to find out the angle of sector. For that you will write down the data first. So mode of transport is, you will draw the table like this, mode of transport, and then I will draw the line. And then you will write down the number of students, and then you will write down angle of sector, angle of sector. So first write down mode of transport, which is bus, car, bicycle and foot. So now you will write down the number of students. So 768 students, 256, 64 and 192. Now you have to find out the angle of sector. For that you need to you must know the total number of students. So you will add all these students. So when you will add, you will get 1280. So these are the total students. How would you find out the angle of sector, students? You will divide this 768 with 1280 with total number of students, and you will multiply with 360. So how would you find out? You will find out like this: 768 divided by total number of students 1280 and multiply by 360 degrees. So what you will get? You will get 768 divided by 1280, and when you will multiply it with 360, you will get 216. Students, remember that the whole complete circle, a complete circle is equal to 360 degrees. So that's why we are multiplying it with 360 degree to find out the angle of sector. For drawing the pie chart, we must need angle of sector for each mode of transport. So that's why we're finding out the angle of sector for each mode of transport. So here we found that it's 216 degree. Now the same way I'll multiply 256 with 1280 and multiply it with 360. And the same way I'll multiply 64 with 1280 and I'll multiply it with 360. And the same way I'll multiply 192 with 1280 and I will multiply it with 360 degree. Now I'm going to find out the angles. I have written the data. 256 divided by 1280 multiplied by 360 will be equal to 72 degree. The same way 64 divided by 1280, and when I'll multiply with 360 I will get 18 degree. And when I'll multiply 192 divided by 1280, and when I'll multiply with 360 I will get 54 degrees. Students, when you will add all these angles, you will get these all four angles are equal to 360 degree. Now I'm going to tell you that how would you draw the pie chart. First angle is 216 degrees. So what you need to do is draw any line. First draw any line. Okay, suppose I'm drawing, okay, take a point and draw any line. Suppose I'm drawing the line over here on the right side. Okay, first you have to draw the line, simple line. Now you will put the protractor on this line. You will draw the first angle, which is 216 degrees. So put the angle. Students, as you can see that 216 is here there are four angles. 216 degree, 72 degree, 18 degree and 54 degree. 216 is difficult to draw. So what we will do is we will draw first all these three other angles, and then the last angle will be automatically of 216 degree, because the total angles still in the protector are 180 degree. So first we'll draw the other three angles, and the last angle will be automatically 216 degree. So first I will start from 72. I will draw 72 degree angle. Okay ji. So for drawing 72 degrees, students, remember that the line which is given on the protector here, this line which is given on the protector must align on this line which I have drawn. Students, remember that I can make the angle on the right side and I can make an angle on the left side. So what I will do is I am going to make the angles on the left side. So remember that when I will make the angle on the left side, there are two scales given on this protector, this lower scale and this upper scale. When I will make the angles on the left hand side, what I will do is I will follow with scale. I will follow inner scale. When I will draw the angles on the left hand side of the line, then I will follow the inner scale. But if I will make the angle on the right hand side, then I will follow the outer scale. So remember that whenever you make the angles on the right side, you have to follow the outer scale, and if you'll follow the if you'll make the angle on the left hand side, so which scale you will follow? You will follow the inner scale. As I am going to draw the angle on the left hand side, so I will follow the inner scale. So I will put it over here. I'm going to make the angle up to 72 degrees. So as you can see that this is the inner scale and this is 70, and 72 comes after two lines after 70, 1 and 2. Okay ji. So 70, this is the 70 line, and 1 2. So I will make it dot. I will put dot over here and I will join it with it. Okay ji. Now I have made the angle of 72 degree. Now I will draw the next angle, which is 18 degree. Now I'll put my protector on it to draw the angle of 18 degree. Same, I'll put the protector. I'll just turn this notebook as like this. I'll put the protector on it as I'm making the angle. Okay, students, remember that if you're making the angle on the left hand side, so all angles you have to, you'll make all angles, you have to put the protector on left hand side. As the first angle I have made it that I have put the protector on the left hand side, so I'll make the rest of the angles the same way. Okay, so I'll put the protector on it and I'll put it on the left hand side. I'll put this dot, and this line must align, the last line on the protector must align with this line. I'll put it like this. And now I will draw the next angle, which is 18 degree. As I'm making the angle on the left hand side, so I will follow the inner scale. So 18 degree would come over here, 10 and 18, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. I'll not draw the full line over here. Okay, now I will join the line with it. As this was 18, I'm not going to draw the line as big as it is because it's written, the number is written over here. I can draw the small line, but it should be from this dot. Okay ji. As I have put the protector like this and I'm going to join it, but I'm not going to draw the big line, as I'm going to draw a small circle. Okay, but it should be with this dot, which is of 18 degree. Okay ji, like this. Now this is of 18 degree. Okay, so I have made two angles, 72 and 18 degree. Now I'm going to make the third angle, which is 54 degree. The same way I'll put the protector on this line. Now on this line, and I will make the angle on the left hand side like this. And now I'm going to make the angle of 54 degrees. Just remember that as I'm making the angle on the left hand side, so I'll follow the inner scale. So 50 is here. Okay. This line must align on this line. Now 50 is here, and 51, 52, 53, 54. So this dot will come over here. Okay ji. So I'll join it with it. This angle is of 54 degree. Okay students, now what you need to do is you have to draw the circle, and when you draw the circle, the last angle will be of automatically, the angle from here till here is of 216 degree because that was left. It is of 216 degree. Okay, now you will draw the circle with it. The angle from here till here is 16 degree. Now when I will draw the circle, I will get a pie chart. I will draw the circle now. Okay, so this is how you have to draw the circle with the help of the compass. Okay, when you will draw the circle, you have to put it in the pencil in between. When you will draw the circle and when you will measure the last angle, you will see that it will be automatically to 16 degree. Now you have to put the protector. Okay, so I hope that today's lecture is clear to you. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.